Wetin they call this woman name? Kemi, wetin and they call and way they call himself investigative journalist. This woman be like say you dey craze. No be like you are a mentally derailed human being.
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Kongossa and Gossip TV, for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If today is the first time you're stopping across my YouTube channel, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. May God bless you as you set in. As for all returning subscribers, I thank you for the support that you're giving me. So my beautiful people, the matter on our table, it get us today as this our Nollywood actress Ada Ameh don't come out, come react after we Mrs. Kemi Olunloyo come out, come talk matter for Slyvester. My people, make it no could be like na me they talk. I go leave the video here, make we watch by ourselves, and after that we go come carry our mouth take put inside. So my people, make we watch till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. My people, make we watch together.
Good evening, everybody. Wetin they call this woman name? Kemi, wetin and they call and way they call himself investigative journalist. This woman be like say you dey craze. No be like you are a mentally derailed human being. You dey mad. What kind of animal are you? What do you take? What kind of cheap drugs? Like fancy Jesus. You must be a mad woman. And I think you need medical attention. This your madness is getting too much. You need to be beaten. A woman that has been through labor room, how can you come out and say rubbish? For even to somebody who is dead. Yeah, you say Yawereni. She crazy. Kiloman Shenyi. What is wrong with you? Where do you get your mad and crazy information from? You be investigative journalist. Go America, the place where you study, have been at UK. Go they do your investigative journalism there. Or go Sambisa forests. Wetin they do you now? Everybody now you they pick on. Wetin they worry you this woman? For picking we don't even die. How can you come out and say this kind of rubbish? It was during initiation they gave him a engine oil to drink. Are you crazy? The other day when you talked about your son, that the father abandoned both of you, I cried for you because I'm a mother. I'm a single mother. Before I lost my only child, I know the pain I have been going through. I've been to the hospital twice to get medical attention, to get people therapists, prayers and everything to get me sane. I can imagine what the parents of this innocent child is going through. Are you crazy idiot? You come out, permit me to insult you. Your age is bullshit. You don't have value for life. If you are crazy, go and see a psychiatric doctor. If you are demented, if you have lost a lot, go and see a psychiatric doctor. If you are depressed, frustrated, see a psychiatric doctor and seek the help of God. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Are you mad? People are crying, demonstrating, talking, crying for the life that was lost. And you mad woman, you come out and say trash. Your children should be ashamed of you. You are a disgrace to be called a woman. I don't know what your bloody name is. Somebody just help me tag that mad woman. Tell me where to meet you. Let me beat you up like a baby. I prefer going to jail for your type. I'll beat the living daylight out of you. Flog you like a child and correct that knot that was lost. Take you to the psychiatric hospital. Pay for your treatment. What is wrong with you? If you're mad, you know they fear God. You know they fear God? As a woman, you don't even have conscience. You talk anyhow. Are you the only person that has been through time? Are you the only one that is frustrated? This your madness. It be like say we go correct and with better mending. Make your head correct. What they worry you now? They just stay, they vomit anyhow, they talk anyhow. Me are not dead and roots there whether they play soft with you. I go mend if I see you for road. Sound at your face. Then go make them arrest me, go lock me for kiri. You dey craze? Now everything you're investigative, who they pay you for Nigeria for this investigative journalism where you they do? Now so bad thing to paint people back, destroy people image, and you get children. I heard one time your father was a governor. You are crazy. You are crazy. The people who know this woman, men and call her to order because this woman owned all the torment. She don't the main case. She's running colossus. You don't reach the time we go tie this woman, carry her, go yaba left. Not because so they go treat you. Because this is your own madness, not get cure. It gave you not take time. If you not fit talk anything way good, you know they shut up your smelly mouth. Because they speak English from nose. Nonsense. Your children should be crying and ashamed. I know they will be hiding their faces. That disgrace. Yeah, woman.
My people, when I don't hear wait till this matter get today as the ground. Me don't know what to think about the video because me don't listen to wait till this Dr. Kemi Olunloyo take talking about this Sylvester dead like that. The way she take the talk and she not be considerate at all like when it comes to the pains way the family can't feel. My people, that's one now wait I think. Me don't know what to think. Of course, we all get our opinions. We all get what they think about my people. If you say here you never watch where she did talking, how Dr. Kemi Olunloyo take the talk about this Sylvester matter, make you no worry, the video they available where you go look we go hear wetin talk. He can't they talk how Sylvester could do everything during the initiation because wetin she they talk, she they boast about say she na investigative journalist she did. Yes, but at times say if true wetin she dey talk na make sense or na be the correct matter, you not supposed just come out like that in the midst of the pain where this boy family they feel just the yarn anyhow for Zoom meeting. My people, I listen to the video, it can't dey pain me serious. Now I decide say no. As this our veteran actress don't come out, come react, make me kuku bring am here. As I talk before, for yeah, everybody gets rights for an opinion, and I go wish say make you write for comment section what you think about the video. Should be waiting be your opinion about this whole matter. Yes, but before I go, if you dare here up to now, you never subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button, and of course don't forget to turn on your post notification so that whenever me upload video you will be amongst the first to be notified. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, let them know what is going on. I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.